Hi everyone, welcome to Eunice's Kitchen. Many friends said they didn't know how to cook beef ribs, so today I will share you an easy way. It doesn't take a long time and it tastes great. So let's start now. First, soak the beef ribs in water for an hour to soak down the beef in water. Second, add 2 teaspoons of 焗好 paste, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, some salt, some vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of starch, and then stir well. And then place the ribs in the freezer bag and marinate it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, put some vegetable oil to the rice cooker. Put the ribs at the right amount of water. Cook around 1 to 1.5 hours. If you don't have a rice cooker, you also can use a regular pan to cook. Tie it up. Wow! Rich in flavor, and the ribs look so appetizing. I hope you like this simple recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.